What's up guys, Josh here of Yugatech, and I'm sure you've heard of digital TV boxes before. You know, the thing you plug at the back of your TV that comes with a remote, like this one. Now GMA themselves are going digital with the new Affordabox DTV receiver. Let's check it out. So upon opening the box, we are greeted with the unit itself, an indoor antenna with a generous 5-meter cable, a remote with included batteries, an RCA cable, a user manual, warranty card, and a well-detailed quick installation guide. Checking out the unit from the front, we've got the power button over here and your channel up and down keys. At the middle is your LED display and IR sensor for the remote control, while on the right we have a USB-A port featuring the GMA Affordabox logo right above. At the back you can find the fixed power cable, your standard audio-visual ports, an HDMI slot, a coaxial port, and finally 2 more jacks for your antenna in and antenna out, while the rest of the sides have nothing except ventilation grills. The GMA Affordabox is pretty straightforward when it comes to setting things up. Following the quick installation guide, all you have to do is hook up the included RCA cable to the AV input of your TV, connect them to the back of the box, screw in the antenna cable, and power both of them on. Using your TV remote, navigate to the proper source where you connected the Affordabox to. In this case, we're going to head over to the AV input, but you can also use an HDMI cable if you have an extra one laying around the house. Turning it on for the first time will bring you to their installation guide. Choose your appropriate city and double check if this is correct so you'll be able to receive nationwide emergency alerts in your area, which is one of this box's highlighted features. Press OK, wait until we're finished searching for channels, and you should be good to go. The GMA Affordabox comes with all your basic features including an info display and a built-in multimedia player for viewing photos, videos, and music via USB. It also comes with an auto-on alert feature and a personal video recorder which lets you record and watch programs from exclusive Kapuso channels which include GMA, GMA News TV, and Heart of Asia. When it comes to coverage, the Affordabox covers some of the key provinces in northern Luzon and southern Mindanao. As of this video, there are a total of 19 covered locations including Metro Manila. With a one-time purchase of 888 pesos on GMA's official Lazada and Shopee stores, the GMA Affordabox is truly a budget-friendly system and is a perfect partner for your TV, especially if you're fond of watching their exclusive channels. And although it did take them a while to come up with their own digital box, it's never too late to the party. So what do you think of GMA's TV box? Let us know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that bell icon, and be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Josh, and stay safe.